it's Miss Tara reading you another great book. This one is called Little Blue Truck's Christmas, and it's written by Alice Schertle, and it's illustrated by Jill McElmey. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Look at all the trees. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? There's already one.
How many?
One. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more.
Yay!
5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road.
Yay!
Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Ooh.
Cards.
Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left is a little blue truck. 1 tree left, what very good luck. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, 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 this one's for me. See the lights?
Yeah!